All right. All right, finally. Hopefully this is stable because this is the last time I checked. I managed to disable the dynamic bitrate thingy. Yeah, all right. I'm never toggling that ever again. So let's do that. It's unfortunate. I mean, I don't know. The only thing the stream missed is the parsing of it, so it's not too bad. I mean, I guess the parsing was the only interesting part, but so basically now I have two lists of number. I mean, I guess my explanation didn't even went through. So we have a bunch of scratch cards, like the gambling thing, and here is the winning numbers, and here is the actual numbers we got, and we just have to count how many winning numbers do we have, and like each time we have one more, it's 1 point, and if we have two, we have 2 points. If we have 3 match, we have 4 points, like it's powers of 2, basically. And at the end, we just add the points of all the cards, and that's the output for day one. And I don't know, I was just having some trouble with the splitting the string, so I had to use split multi, which allows you to split the strings with multiple separators. Because I had like a bunch of empty strings, and now I just have a normal output. Can I adjust with the mouse? Oh, that's nice. First time I said the mouse is nice, is in Neovim. It's gonna be really annoying. I guess I'm just gonna delete the first 2 streams. Doesn't matter. Nobody's watching this anyway, so let's go. Points, and we do yeah, I guess we can just do points plus equals to 1, and then at the very end we do 1 by points. That will give us the actual points. Just win count, and let's call that win count, and win count here, and points is this, and let's total points is equal to 0, and at the end we have total points plus equals this, and win count. Nice, I have to declare it. Must be an unsigned integer. Yeah, that's fine by me. You can be a uint. Alright, and at the end we do println total points. Let's see. Yes, my face is hiding this. 28, I don't think this is correct. It's 13. Card 2 has 2 winning numbers. Let's print the... Let's fmt println this. 20 is not allowed. Ah, yes, let's just call uint this. So let's see. It says that. Ah, yes, okay. I just need to do this because, like, since it's 1 here, it's like we already have like powers, like the first power is already there, so I need to shift it back once, I think. And here we get 13, which is the correct answer. Let's get the puzzle input. Up, copy, and then xclip input, and then at the top we do up. Can I do up input and then run this? And let's see if I am correct. Up, Control C, book. Yay, right answer. That was very easy. Except, I mean, the problem was easy. The streaming was really hard. Let's slightly clean this up. Actually, there is nothing to clean up. Just do a part 1 here. Okay. And yesterday I also installed Valgrind on my machine so that I could see if I have a memory leak in my Advent of Code things. And I had to fix a couple of them yesterday, but it's fine. Just I don't know. I know memory leak don't matter for Advent of Code, but I just want to, I don't know, just get the good practice in. Let's see. Just as you're about to report your findings to the elf, one of you realizes that the rules have actually been printed on the back of every card this whole time. There is no such things as points, instead scratch cards only cause you to win more scratch cards, equal to the number of winning numbers you have. Specifically, you win copies of the scratch cards below the winning cards equal to the number. Specifically, you win copies of the scratch cards below the winning card equally to the number of matches. So if a card then were to have 5 matching numbers, you would win one copy each of cards. Okay, so it's the card ID and okay. So it's some kind of recursive thing. Copies of scratch cards are scored like normal scratch cards and have the same card number as the card they copied. So if you win a copy of card 10 and it has 5 matching numbers, it would then win a copy of the same cards that the original card 10 won. It would then win a copy of the same cards that the original... Okay, that makes sense. This process repeats until none of the copies causes you to win any more cards. Cards will never make you copy a card past the end of the table. Oh, that's nice to know. This time the above example goes differently. Still the same example, that's good. Card 1 has 4 matching numbers, so you win 1 copy of the next 4 cards too. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, your original card 2 has 2 matching numbers, so you win 1 copy each of the card. Yes. Okay, once all of the original copies have been processed. But so I get a copy, and when do I process it? So 1 matching number, do I just process this and just process the copies that I get until there is none, and then I go to card 2, and that's it? But so can it go back? Wait, your 8. Your copy of card 2 also wins 1 copy. Has 4 matching numbers, that's fine. Your copy or your original card 2 has 2 matching numbers, so you win 1 copy each of card 3 and 4. Your original card 2 has two matching numbers, so you win one copy each of card 3 and 4. Yes, that still makes sense. Your copy of card 2 also wins a copy. One copy of each. Okay, but then I have 2. But okay. Your 4 instances of card 3. We want it one here, and one here. What is there for? Ah, yes, because we duplicated it 3 times, and we also have the original one. Okay. One original and 3 copies have two magic numbers, so you win 4 copies each of card 4 and 5. Okay, your 8 instead of card 4. One original and okay. So I need what do I need? What do I need? I need. I think I need a lookup for the count of each of the cards. So I still don't. Here I ignore. No, here I ignore the card ID. Which is still fine. I think I just need some kind of count lookup. Card count. Cards count. Card count. Whatever. Map of an int and an int as well. Cannot assign a type map int to variable cards count. I can't. Ah, yes, I need to do this. And here I don't have an I, so I just create a counter which is 0. And let's just make it -1 so I can increment it early. And let's just do card count of just I is equal to 1. I mean, do I need to do this? Can I? That sounds a bit strange. I can do just like this and just do lines is equal to this. And I do lines here, and then I go I here, and then cards count is just lines. Ah, yes, but that won't work. Or will it? No, it won't. But can I make can I fill an array with some value in Odin? I know this is all probably overkill, huh? But I'm curious for the future. Fill. Slice fill. Oh, right, there is. Oh, and there is a filter. Oh, okay, that makes my life easier. And it takes a proc. Okay. I saw that Odin has like, I don't know, not lambda function, but like nested proc, nested functions. I mean, you can make a function in a function. But you cannot capture the scope above. Which is a bit limiting, but I guess for a filter function it should be... It's fine. Like, you can still declare a proc here, but it cannot access data like this. It can only have its own variables. And so string which match will be... Ah, yes, just split lines and then defer, delete, lines like this. And then cards count, we just make a slice of int. Boom, 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 and then we have a length of len lines, and we defer delete cards count, and we do we import the slice package. Boom, 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 boom. Slice fill, and it takes an array. Oh, an array or a struct, I guess. I still don't know the generic thing notation, so cards count and a value which will be 1 in our case. And we don't need this anymore. And we can this. Alright, does that still work? It does, okay. Can you go away? And so now that I have a count, I still have to count the number of things. So I will still need to do I will still need to use win count, since it's so if it's 1 and it has 4 matches, the next 4 cards will be incremented, the count of the next 4 cards. So I do 4, 4, let's say J maybe, card ID, let's call it, in, and it goes from I plus 1, plus 2 actually, to I plus 2. Yeah, we need to do plus 1 since it's 1 indexed instead of 0 indexed, and plus 2 to get the next one. And just plus win count, like this, and like this, and like this. And we do cards count, card index plus equals 1. That does not work. Mismatched type. Mismatched type in binary int versus uint. Ah, yes. Do we care? Just uint this and it's okay, no? Or the opposite, just int this and it's fine. Yes, it is. Index is out of range, but it said it will never go out of range. Example. Okay. Invalid slice indices. A0 is out of range. 21 something. Oh, it's not here, it's there. 4 line in lines. I'm confused. Println line. Are lines just not lines? Yeah, that's fine. Why? 21. Is there just an empty line at the end? Yeah. That would be strange. Yeah, there is an empty line at the end. Okay, whatever. If line is equal to nothing, do continue. Let's just ignore empty lines. Let's just ignore empty lines. 13, that's still a good answer, that's nice. So we have card counts. And then I want to print cards count. So that is not correct. Maybe here it needs to be 1. No, it does not. Oh yeah, but I'm stupid, it's not +2. It is +1 because, yeah, it's not the one we have in the string, it's the one we have in this list, which is in this slice, which is indeed 0 indexed. Okay. Does that follow the... I don't think, because there is an 8 at some point. So, your copy of card 2 also wins. Okay, so there is 2 copies of card 2, which is also my case. And then there is 4 copies of card 3, which is not my case. Yes, because I don't do this. I need to do this for we don't care in 0 till cards count of I. We need to do this. We need to duplicate them as much as they are counted. Okay, that does look better. So there is 4 instances of card 3, 8 instances of card 4, 14 instances of... 14 instances of card 5. Yikes. Why do I have 16 instead of 14? Just paranoia checking that I'm still live. I don't trust it anymore. Yes, I forgot to replace the 2 by a 1 here. And it's indeed 14. Yes, let's go. And 1 instead of card 6. And but why do we have a lonely one here? Yes, because there is an empty line in the end. So let's remove that one. And now I have exactly what he wants. So now that I have this, once all of the originals and copies have been processed, you end up with 1 instance, 2 instances, yes. In total, this example pile of scratch causes you ultimately to have 30 scratch cards. Alright. Let's do total scratchpad cards is equal to 0. And actually we can do this later. And now is a good time to check if there is a built-in sum. Sum. No, is there like a sum? Oh, math sum, but that's not what we want. Oh, it is. That's cool. There is a built-in sum. Import math, and then we do Up, part 2, pick, and you do math, sum this 30, and in the example they say it's 30. Let's go, and let's replace the file by inputs, run it, and out of range, fuck. And that's the unhappy moment in Advent of Code, where your stuff works on the example, but not on the actual input. We'll voir what does the input looks like. So there is 213 card, and the index I'm trying to access is 212. So I'm trying to access like the just after the very last one, maybe. It is strange. Maybe we need. Let's just ignore it, like if it's an invalid index. Let's try this first, because maybe it's just for the very last one. I mean, it did say in the problem. How do you say this? In the description that it will never go outside of the boundaries, but apparently it does. FLT print ln I. Okay. So it's for 210. Win count. There is 2 wins and I'm so confused. Len cards count. There is 212. Okay. Oh, but maybe in the input I actually don't have a new line at the end. Example. There's a new line, but inputs. Maybe I need to do this, and then it's fixed. Like maybe just my editor added a new line in there. Okay, seems like it. Let's check that the first part is still correct. Yes, it is. Let's try this. Demu editor. Demu editor, adding new lines where you shouldn't. Yay! Day 4 is done. Alright, the streaming was garbage. Huh? I mean, it's always garbage, but it was more garbage than usual. But, alright. Yeah, it's fun to explore a bit